Hi guys, Cindy here. So today is nail day and we're gonna do a set of designer foil nails. So let's get started. Okay, I'm gonna move the thing down. First off, let's find them. I'm gonna use these foils that I got from Dipped in Pretty, but I'm satisfied you could find the same foils from Amazon if you wanted to. She might get them to you quicker, or I don't know. So those are pretty. So when we do those, I think we're gonna have to do these up and down versus sideways. That's good to know. So I'm gonna go ahead and leave these out. Okay. And what did we use? Just in case you're wondering, the nails I have on, I know they look bad because I've been picking at them. But they're really nice nails. These are the Pre-Gel X. I got them on their Good Friday sale. And these are the medium coffin and the natural. And they feel really good on my feet. You know, like a really good pair of fitting shoes. I'm not feet, nails. Sorry about that. But we're going to use these today. We're going to use these clear XXL nails that I got from AliExpress. And I'm not sure if they're supposed to be Gel X or not. They do not feel like Gel X, but they're probably good enough for me for what I want to do with them. And I like them because they have really big numbers on them that I can see. So I like them for that. And plus, they are a little bit longer. These are medium. And so these large would be probably go up a little bit. These are probably about 1/8 of an inch or something longer than what a regular regular one, like it doesn't say anything, like a long. I would consider it a long, and I guess they just don't have anything on them. Okay. And for polish, I use this Maniology purple. This came in some kind of a neon kit or something like that. And what else? I use some Wet n Wild for sort of the base color because I don't like the clear, because by the time I get a little adhesive tab and super glue in there, you know, sometimes it might turn white or cloudy or something, and I don't want that showing through. So I do kind of like to have a little color underneath it. And hopefully this is peach and beige enough. A lot of times I get them and they're like bright pink. I don't like that. And oh, yellow. I use the yellow. But anyway, I would not suggest buying it, Maniology polish. I mean, if you like it, buy it, but don't buy it just for this. Just use whatever you had. I had some purple and yellow of like other brands, but they were too shiny, and I was wanting to use matte, but I've changed my mind now. We're just going to go with glossy this week, and maybe next week we'll do newspaper nails or something and try the matte, okay? So, and I have started my nails to save time. This one here, I'm waiting on him to the glue to dry because something leaned up against it and it come off, so I put a little bit more glue on it. So we're gonna do that one last. So I've got glue on this one. Let's see, and I think probably this one and not this one. This one's gonna be solid with some gems. This one's gonna have some foil. This one, does it have foil? Yeah, it's got glue. This one does not have glue. I kind of wanted a little bit, you know, variety there, not all the same. So let's get started. So on these, I want them to go when someone else looks at them, to them to see the design versus when I look at them like this. Although very few people look at my nails, but still, just in case. So let's get the foil in the right direction. Okay, and I've got my silicone thing here. And so I want it to go up and, okay. You have to be careful because you don't want to miss it, and boy, and it will mess things up. Make sure you get it. And I like doing the solid color underneath because if you just do clear or something underneath, if it doesn't go through all, you want it to have a base, you know, and it's nice to have something similar to the color you've got which I might have gone a little bit dark. I could have gone lighter, but like I said, I was going to have some that were going to show through, and at the time I thought I wanted to go matte. Plus I wanted to, I don't know, I just thought this would be a better shade. It might not be. And I didn't have that much shades. I got plenty of nail polish, but you know, you don't have specific shades a lot of times. Let's see. Let me make sure I get it on. Okay, let's see if we can get this off good. Okay, it's coming off. One of my problems is that he said that sticking this little thing on the nails not real, just wanting to stick on. Uh-oh. We'll take that off. Try again. Need to put another little adhesive tab on here. Is it stuck? Yeah, it's stuck to the bottom of that. I'm gonna have to dig that out before I actually put it on my hands because that's gonna bug me. Okay, so let's put this back on here, and before I actually use it, I'll have to dig that off. So, and then the pointer finger, we decided we did not have anything there. So, let's do this one. We'll go underneath it. Alrighty. And then the next one we've got just the pinky one. Okay, that turned out nice. So if you saw my other video, I tried to doctor something up, the French one, but I'm not going to do that this time. Okay, now in this one, I think I can go long ways here, but I don't want to take the chance. So we're just going to, because there's probably no way I'm going to want to use all this before it's over. There's no way I'm trying to script and save and end up running a nail or not having it look good. And I did try to kind of color coordinate the colors. Okay, let's see. Alrighty, let's see the tip of this. I will end up cutting these off some before I go to work. Hopefully it will cut off okay and they won't break. Okay, here's something on the side too. Apparently I did not get that little tiny thing rubbed on good enough. Okay, that's good enough. That's good enough. Let's see about this side. Alrighty. So, if anyone knows what this stands for, let me know so I know what to put in my description. Okay, so get this out of the way and let's do some bling. And today we're going to do the bling with just super glue. I'm not going to try to fix this to make it look better or anything because I'll probably just mess it up. It's just going to be good enough. Okay. And I think this is the bottle I'm going to use. I use... That wasn't a very good idea. Okay. Well, I know we're probably going to use about a dozen of these, so hopefully we'll just use the ones that are on the paper towel. So I did another set. I'm going to do one on each hand. So I'm going to do my little pattern similar to that, except these look bigger. Let me see. These do look bigger. So let's see if we can put these up. I would kind of like to stick with the same size. So I will clean that up off camera. Let's do these other ones because I think this is what I used. These here are too big, although I like them, but I want both sets to have the same size stones. So we will clean that up a little bit and we will be more careful this time. Okay. So we're just going to use 4. And I'm going to put them into a little diamond shape. Alrighty, so I'm going to put a little bit more glue down, sort of around it, trying to help it stay. And then I'm going to put some glue here. Alrighty, turn over for me. There we go. So let's scoot it up a little bit. Okay. And this glue, I just picked it up I think I picked it up with my grocery order at Walmart. Because I do grocery pickup, I just put what I need. And they get it for me and bring it out to my car. And so I was able to just put it on my grocery order. So that was good. Need one more. There we go. It's not quite this one here. You know, I probably said this in my last video too. When I used to go to the nail salon and we would get designs on our toes. They just use super glue or nail glue, whatever you want to call it. Blow on for a second. Put the lid on this. And then we're going to top coat it. We were going to matte coat, but we changed our mind. I just did not know how it was going to look. I was scared. I know on like a newspaper it will look okay because newspapers are kind of matte, but I just did not know, so we didn't do it. We decided to do glossy instead. We was chicken. Didn't want to try something new. So let's glossy top coat this a little bit. Okay. Hopefully I have enough. It's kind of hard to see how much you have in these bottles that are colored. Okay. Let that dry. Good. This is a Sally Hansen. It's like gel something or other, but it's not. It's just regular polish. It does not require a lamp or anything. It says 3D top coat gel shine. I would like it in a regular bottle so you could tell when you was running out or running low, so you wouldn't start a whole set of nails. They probably don't have a whole lot in here. That's the reason they put it in the bottle. I'll check the ounces here in a second. This is not the first time I've used it, so it could be going out on me. Okay, so what does this say? This says, if I can read it, 0.45 ounce, so it's not even half an ounce. Okay, thank you for watching, and I'm going to do a thumbnail. So if I get it loaded before I get the thumbnail, be sure and go back to my page and look at the thumbnail so you can see how they turned out. And I'll see you guys later, and have a great day. Bye-bye.